How to make her addicted to you by teasing her funny bone. How can you captivate someone's interest in a playful and engaging way? The secret lies not in physical intimacy, but in tapping into what we might call her F-spot, her funny bone. This isn't about crude humor or trying to impress with inappropriate jokes. Instead, it's about creating a lighthearted, teasing atmosphere that can spark a deeper connection. When you're feeling attracted to someone, your body naturally responds with increased heart rate and blood pressure. Interestingly, you can achieve a similar effect through playful banter. By gently poking fun at her, you can build a strong sense of attraction and make her feel drawn to you. However, there's a fine line between playful teasing and outright insults. The goal is to create a mild, positive tension, not a serious conflict. If she's not laughing or showing signs of genuine amusement, you might need to adjust your approach. A good rule of thumb is to ensure that her eyes are smiling along with her mouth. If you're new to this idea, welcome to Just the Tip, where I offer insights to help men navigate the often perplexing world of female behavior. One effective way to tap into her F-spot is to playfully disagree with her, even on topics you might actually agree on. This works best in person, where you can read her reactions and she can see from your expressions that you're just having fun. She won't take you too seriously, and this can lead to a stronger bond and a lasting connection. Avoid attempting this through text messages, instant messaging, or any similar medium. It simply won't be effective. The key is to observe her reactions in person, which will help you determine if you're pushing boundaries too far or if she's picking up on a different vibe. It's crucial to maintain a lighthearted, playful, and teasing atmosphere. When she shares something with you, respond with a playful skepticism, like, I'm not sure I believe that. Convince me. Pay close attention to her response. Does she seem upset, or does she engage playfully, trying to persuade you? If she doesn't seem upset, you can encourage her by saying, "All right, I'm listening. Tell me more." However, maintain a slightly skeptical demeanor, as if you're still not entirely convinced, saying something like, I'm not sure if I believe you yet. Once she successfully convinces you, acknowledge her with a compliment, such as, "Well done. I knew you were a smart one." If you feel confident, add a subtle half-smile or even a wink. Notice how I incorporated that. That's the essence of it. The goal is for her to laugh and feel amused, eager to continue the playful interaction. When it comes to interacting with women, it's essential to remember that this is not a game, but rather a fun and engaging experience. The goal is to create a connection, not to manipulate or control. If you can make her giggle, laugh, smile, or chuckle, or even playfully shove you, which breaks the touch zone or touch barrier, then congratulations, you've effectively tapped into her F-spot. This not only showcases your conversational skills but also subtly conveys that you have standards, which is a highly attractive quality to women. Having standards demonstrates self-respect, and women are naturally drawn to men who exude confidence and self-assurance. Having standards also creates a sense of intrigue, making women want to prove themselves to you. They'll be eager to win you over, and teasing is an excellent tool to add to your conversations. By playfully teasing her, you can create low-level sexual tension, which is a key factor in making her addicted to you. This is not about being aggressive or pushy, it's about being confident and playful in your approach. When you can create this kind of tension, you'll find that women are more engaged and interested in getting to know you. It's a subtle yet powerful way to build a connection and create a sense of excitement around your interactions. So, instead of having safe but dull conversations, you can start teasing her and get her excited to be with you. The key is to be confident and playful in your approach, and to remember that teasing is just one of several flirting tips that can help you build a connection with women. If you're already confident enough to try this, then go ahead and start experimenting with teasing and playful banter. However, if you need a little more confidence before you start practicing some of the more advanced flirting techniques, then consider checking out my Wake Up to Love program, which offers guidance and support to help you build the confidence and skills you need to succeed. This approach will definitely lead you to success. If you're looking to discover even more effective techniques to make her feel a strong attraction towards you, I highly recommend checking out my video titled, "The 6 Amazing Ways to Flirt with Her." I appreciate your presence here, and I wish you all the best.